Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Crafty Stevie bad my blood clot.
I say if me did have my private part in my phone, you would have went in there. You would have put it up, but remember under me clean. Remember under me no rush up like how you say under Tiffany. What Anya do? This is from where it's like I'm wanting. So she in and she out, she in and she out, she in and she out. Yeah, them plan. Because she me have a February 9 court date, she think me never ever go come out and him in a blood clot illegal in America, so them could hold on for me no longer. Yeah. So she take up all of the shoes them from out there, so I bring in. You know, just watch the 9-minute video and she say, me not mad, I'm gonna come here at all. No, just watch. Oh, Annie. Doctor tell Annie not to lift up no weight, nor nothing. Annie lift up every blood clot weight. Annie teeth the whole of my things them. Me have 84 candle, 100 odd candle. One bag, one Lululemon bag with about 20 odd candle in the corner for my blood clot customer over Jersey. She gone with that. She take the woman bag of things them. She bring back some where the blood clot candle them there, Annie. Where the candle them there. Where the candle them there, where them blood clot, the woman things them there. Dirty Annie woman things them there. You go all in my blood clot closet, and you take out all the way you want me say. In my closet, always struck up on things to how much clothes me have, everything I have to throw over the blood clot or there's something where you hang the rack them pan to it full up, me have to throw over and just never blood clot business. Because one thing with me, I will get the clothes them and them stay there, and if me I go out, me say me I go outside, I go up on the road and see something, me I go take that will just come out and what they put on. And yet, me say you went shopping a blood clot. I want my shoes them, Annie. I want my shoes them. I nah make my shoes them because I want them. Friday me and Pinky are talk about 16 party. I'm saying Pinky want Versace top. I'm saying the girl, he may have waste money. I woulda wear name there. I woulda wear name there buy one Versace t-shirt and I see in a socks and wear go 16 party. And what if you go buy a Versace t-shirt and come now and then can't wear it? Or it would really go? And may I show the people in the house when the police them come, the whole place ma pull up. The whole place pull up. I have video in the house, I send my family in here go pull up because police them come to the end of the blood clot day. Me da for mash up in the car, them never ever go see everything for come say this I like my own a store. Yeah. I want to see everything. Wicked Annie. To you pay man for kill K-Fab, the man them take your money and don't look for your card. People them say K-Fab a hot girl. Yeah. Me know the boy them when you pay the money, the boy them that want fuck K-Fab. She same one Annie from England and she da go back them turn her back. And you say you're American citizen every day, I beg you for go to England and you can't go back. And remember you chat Camille. Camille no want a friend from you, Annie. But you call Annie, Camille tell Annie about you're done with me. Dirty Batman, Annika is after be a Batman. American accident, you saw in his sister, that look like so in his sister. I'm gonna lift you up half of my life, man. She same one partner, Annie. But the partner mash up kind of body now Billy again thinking Annie. Mo want my Versace shoes, mo want my Burberry shoes, I'm want my Bottega slippers, I'm want my easy slides. I'm gonna me head na clip power else gone. You see her face? You see the woman face? Everybody a handicap for Anya and really look good in a fair face. Me now ask how she look like a man. Every time I say Annie make me get my things, I'm call the police, cause you know you and Tiffany done plan already for got police. I say, but Annie the whole way go get locked up cause the whole way a thief. Yeah. The whole away a thief and the whole away a shoplifting and the whole away the blood clot for it. So if you don't want to get technical, and I can get it technical because remember me are all prisoner. But una got dead if you go in a jail. You remember when you had to search the house, sit up on the phone with my family them, and I tell them what way you got take out and see the video show there? Why as my back turn against the wall, God show you up? Why as my back against the blood clot wall, God make me you fall out? And you tell the people, oh, you're done with me. You never give me nothing, honey. I'm mid to fear. So when I come and attack, I wanna say this, I wanna say that, but I just want to know something I tell no like I see the video there. I saw one video there on the ring camera, when she come on the ring camera. Here now, then I the ring camera and I pick up and then I make me have to download the live there and the video there and show the people me the then I the ring camera and I pick up on the phone and it now go pick up it a record. I don't know I never they call Pinky. I better me call Pinky and leave me key with Pinky. And bad to bad, if Pinky come in at the house, she go wear name there. She go either take up one tap or she see new or something. Or anything she see she go take up and that's but she nah mash me up like what Annie do me. Yeah, K-Fab she pay man for kill you. And to all, I remember the last time she say for show your bank book, you saw you rich now and God bless you and you want buy house from Wappy Philip of Florida and all. Now you can't buy the house. And you go cause your family mash up your credit. Chad mash up your credit and remember your class the whole of your family them. Want my shoes them, Annie. Want my shoes them. You can't take the cologne and the clothes them. Want my shoes them. Yeah. Yeah, Bumbo. Remember the pan K-Fab for sure. See it after me not turn the line in my room with this in my bed there. What kind of lie me I tell? You the pan K-Fab for sure. Account now she rich no blood clot and she American citizen because she post fair certificate. I know you know post yours. Thinking Annie. I want me look into it. You broke. And what you made up and you go try see if you can get one insurance so you can blood clot. If you get your cancer medication. All God punish you and you still a class people and them kids. So you see it there. See my bed there? See my bed there. So no things I want video me a show and say Anya whatever see my bed there. And then the last thing you got the pan, I call my family but if I come out for true. And the pan me sad. Me sad. Oh, me for blood clots sad and God did bless me, me could have learn for drive. That are the only thing when they did have over me fit in a blood clot, America. Me go learn for drive September. October, me dey run on car steering. November, run on car steering. And the end of the blood clot day, December, my license issue to me. So, all me for sad. Tell me all me for sad. And I want my things them. Want them. What day I go blood clot Walmart? When my family give me my blood clot something. And I go Walmart and you there on Deedee buy this, me buy that for me. I'm a blood clot shopping for me here Walmart, dirty woman, and you still come rob me. And me give my things, me give my money, put all my money in your account, and you use my blood clot money. I'm gonna say a word, cause you are my friend. I don't know, cause remember man foot she have, cause remember Annie's a man. But me sad. All my family in black here still a blood clot sign number and I text them shit house. Me 2,000 for your blood clot rent. 2,000. Remember Annie me nah fuck you. I remember me nah have no boy for send for. Remember me nah there with no boy. A man me there with. Remember some me nah have no man of mine. You understand? I remember and you nah suck my wood. Me nah suck your pussy. You nah fuck me with your blood clot vibrator nah nothing. I'ma take up 2,000 like gear. I'm a family in blood clot want it. Yeah. My family, and my Versace sneakers, my Burberry sneakers, and the Bottega slippers. The whole three of them in the name box. The whole three of them in the name box. I buy the Burberry and the Bottega out of Saks. And Shelly Creme de la Chem sell me the blood clot Versace from out of Neiman Marcus. I want my things them, Annie. Yeah, Tanya got it how it go. I want my things them. So come with the police them in my building, Annie. Come in my building with the blood clad police them. I want the people them say everywhere you search and just take out and all know me can't see my things them. Yeah. That's a in the passage. That's a dirty clothes that you're pushing at the house and all of the dirty clothes that go thief my sweatsuit them. And you're too wicked. You have it too wicked. You have it too wicked. And then you get up every blood clot day and go like you're better than people. All God punish you what you and you still and go like you're better than people. Dream what storage from when I asked and it the I'm gonna show the picture with the bag them she put outside. What she said she that I was she having a storage. Me not see nothing else come back dream. I don't see nothing else come back. And you go get Tanisha or Pitney blood clot tax return. Where you take and buy Louis this and Louis blood clot that. And the people I water the pie that's why you suffer so. Yeah, she think me that go get 35 to life, so that's why she do it. Me nah no shit in my underpants. Me that for go ask Pinky for fee on them for make she take them up. So she gone back then in the draw, so everything I got played out. God, that for too good. God, that's what I say. You see, you're good. Why as my back? You know what me call? I want me text Annie and say, Annie know say police come on me yard and say me have warrant. Annie say, choose Annie then nearer than Pinky. Make me really call Annie, you know. And to me know if the police them not gonna allow me for the certain things. But the police say make my beard, brush my teeth, every blood clot thing. Annie, you have too wicked. You have too wicked. Me want my shoes them. I want them for wash off the bottom and bring them go back as socks. I want my shoes them. I come from jail from the 31st of blood clot January. Today I want to say the 6th. I'm a swallow everything and but today me dey on the road I'm say, you know me go get to a Burberry top for go chilling with the boys pan blood clot Valentine's Day. And me say Angel. I'ma say Angel you know say my mind I tell me say me not see my Burberry sneakers, me not see the big brown box. Me I say God make it in there. Make it in there. So, me now for get out of the way. Me not have no friend in my family, my friend. Me not have no friend. Me go treat with batty man, me go treat with straight people. Me not have no friend. Me not have no friend. One thing me glad me come America come learn is self-love. Self-blood clot love when you can stay in your house by yourself. Batty man don't even amaze me no more. So when I see many people them argue, I open to see the people them always are dummy things. Me not just get up and trouble people like that. Me not trouble people. Yeah. You thief my Tom Ford glasses them. Well, me have on this and me have another new one. So send the blood clot police them feet. You thief that 1 year Annie. So me get it back here. So send the police them feet how much feet? 520. When you can't send the police them come on my yard again. And it nothing not too good for me gear. Me go up on the road that we in the store. You not even follow going in the store. You run out of the blood clot car left for Annie. And anything you see me get, what you got Jamaica, you see me get me look selling something because I have a partner for paying this and the blood clot that you know what you do. You say you want this, me for sell it. I say Annie me not sell it. Me I get go on. Thinking Annie. You thief all my mother cologne. Yeah, I look most nearly cuss the people them fear. But see it come prove here. See it come blood clot prove here. To all me have my things them for sell. I'm afraid for post them because they red eye me. One a green card holder, a blood clot citizen on a red eye me. Me spend 20 blood clot 2 days in a jail. I lay down on one side, that side that hurt me. Me lay down on my back, it hurt me. I remember my back big. Hurt me on the panel bed and the flat mattress no blood clot. I'ma take it like a G all the food them. I can't name the food them but hungry that kill me say no me make me just eat so the flour them I will get over blood clot. Rockers Island. Yeah. You're too wicked to me man and all my shown is blood clot love. All me do I make blood clot money and can pay on the bills from Tiffany go right down. You see what Tiffany are with that way? TIM blood clot E for she. Yeah. TIME. And I don't want to talk some things. Tiffany, you come back, come tell me oh Clarky said this and Clarky said that. You never gonna make me trace Clarky. That's my friend. That's my friend. I don't talk no, that's my friend. You never gonna make my class in Panna Live. Nope. No. We never gonna do that. Never ever did I go class my blood clot friend. Yeah, me and him class you. One thing with him a go say Deedee, anybody me take as my friend and anybody say them say me know what them say from and me know where me say from where me won't say. So he could come back come tell me this and tell me that Tiffany Clarky never ever go fuck it cause you stink. Me I bring down the whole lot of uno. Yeah, uno shitty. On a shitty. The way you wicked Annie, Citibank send the blood clot card come and you dash it way. Well, God good. Them send me back when I come home, come sit at my doorway. Yeah. I have one chime card here, you know. Mega put it on your wallet. Mega put it on your wallet. I don't know if you put it on my wallet and your face those set right. And you know smooth. So all you forgot put blood clot card in a wallet. Eh? You want the check from Chase and Chase so them send out the check from when? I'ma go back down about the check not cash yet. Cause maybe yeah wait for the verdict for say if you got cash the check. And you walk and tell everybody about me have check a blood clot come. And all now your thief my money dirty Annie. Shit mouth, Annie. And you have one blood clot room, a handbag and clothes. And if me wear one of your handbag them and me give it back, I don't keep it. I give it back for sure I don't red eye. Yeah. Every day I call you for the government phone, a Rockazile and the pan. Deedee, me I go check it your mailbox if if the check come. Some say Annie, oh you got cash your check here, Annie now she go put it on her phone. Annie used to say you want fraud my signature. Nasty Annie. Annie, all you mash me up. I can change my glasses. I took off one Tom Ford and I put on another Tom Ford. Yeah. Shithouse. So you say all of my clothes I take and send and give your son out England, Jaila, where one blood clot name. Me need it. Every day they but call the police. You want me to call police by your Annie? Eh? You really want me to call police? And you leave married people life alone, you better off a pure married man you take. Pure married man, all the big man, I don't want to call the man name. You class all the man when him heart fail the other day. And you can't wait for him dead because you want to get him blood clot apartment at Jamaica. Thinking, Annie. Yeah. Shit up, Annie. I remember when you blood clot what you can't shit, you have to push up there's something in your bottom. You push up something in your bottom like baby. Yeah, I want my things on the live account down on the live and it blood clot and that's it. So you know next what go happen. Annie, you don't smooth. Yeah, you know why I don't fight to no because I'm gonna lock me up. I wanna now mash up my record because I forget every blood clot documents that belong to me in America. I don't know why I try mash up my record. Nah, mash up because Tiffany want my record mash up and bad like hers. Tiffany, remember your class to all of your family from Melissa go right down and to I'm not cruel Tiffany. But have Melissa number I could have called Melissa and tell Melissa something. So you chat Melissa you chat sure for chat the whole of them go right down. And I did call him. I remember you call everybody and say me say. And everybody when you call the people them come right back to me. Yeah. And it cost $540. Come take it now. Come and take this one, Annie. You go along my closet it and your teeth down to all my the Dove spray them. I remember CCTV and Walgreens have every blood clotting for everybody go in and there. And in my warm Apple Watch you say there 2:22 where your father live. My warm Apple Watch, Annie. My phone. My earpod, everything up on the bed, watch, I'ma come out and can't get my things them. Animal want my things them. Anyways, guys, have a good night. Tiffin, Annie, the camera, show the camera, don't tell no lie, baby. The camera don't